Hi everyone, welcome to the challenge. We're here on day 1 of the 30-day challenge. I truly hope you'll be with me every single day. Day 1 is all about begin your day successfully. So here's a question. How do you start your day? Successful people start their day in an intentional way. They're not hitting the snooze button 2 to 3 times before getting up. They're not rushing around to make it to work on time. They're not forgetful, absent-minded, or make excuses. Successful people don't do that. But right after this, you'll learn the best way to begin your day. Keep watching. The 5.5 method starts with each morning and how to make the most of your day before it even begins. Here are 3 quick tips to do first thing in the morning to set your day up for success. Number 1, get up when the alarm goes off. If you hit that snooze in the morning, well, you'll be hitting snooze all through your day. Think about that. It's true. Do you hit snooze when it's time to make follow-up phone calls? Do you hit snooze when it's time to exercise? How about hitting snooze when it's time to go to bed? In other words, you procrastinate all day long. Override your brain and get up when the alarm goes off in the morning. Fool that brain of yours and fight the resistance all day long to hit snooze. Successful people act, not delay. Number 2, take 15 minutes first thing in the morning to set this old brain up for success. Now I'm guessing your thoughts are like the wild, wild west, controlling your behavior, mood, and habits. Is your brain in control of you? Make sure to take control of your brain and show it who's boss. Spend 15 minutes reading something, inspirational, or watch something that's motivational. Lead your brain and set the mood for your day the right way. If you don't, you've created a void and your brain will be happy to keep ordering you around and becoming your boss. Take control back by taming those thoughts and redirecting your mind to focus on what you want. Here's an idea. Why not make these challenge videos a part of your morning routine and use them to set up your day for success? 3, do a quick review of your upcoming day. Look at your schedule for the day and begin to mentally prepare yourself for what you want to accomplish. This will help focus your mind onto business, and it will focus your intention on what you want to accomplish. Then write down what you want to accomplish, and you'll see why in another video. Trust me, just write it down. Tomorrow, you now have 3 new sales habits to begin first thing in the morning. Number 1, get up when the alarm goes off. Number 2, 15 minutes of inspiration to gear up your mindset. And 3, do a quick review of your day so there's no surprises. Now, make it an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Bye-bye.